Good evening to everybody. So today we'll be discussing, as we are talking about the combinatorics problem, so we'll be talking some circular permutation. In case of the circular permutation, what will be happen? If possible, if you can switch on my camera, maximum of you, it will be much better. So first thing, what exactly circular? A little bit the hint I will give you before start giving the questions. Whenever objects are arranged on a circle, circular doesn't mean that circle has to be there. It should be closed loop. Understand? Suppose object is here. If difference, try to understand. If there are the four object, let's say A, B, C, D. This is row arrangement. Row arrangement can be done by the 4 factorial. But it's the same thing you done on the circular. Circular, again, I'm saying it may be any picture. It should be closed. Suppose A here, B here, C here, D here. So number of arrangement in this case will be 4 factorial by 4. Why? Because here there is a starting point and end point. Here there is no starting point and no end point.
Because you can rotate.
Yeah. So it will be the 4 factorial by 4, or you can say 3 factorial. So what we can keep in mind, arranging n different objects, distinct objects
N minus 1 factorial.
on a closed loop. Closed loop. It's called as the circular permutation, but don't get confused. It should be circle. Closed loop will be n minus 1 factorial. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are different. If clockwise and anti-clockwise are different. What I mean to say clockwise, anti-clockwise different? Means if you see something like this and if you flip it, it's a give different arrangement that is called the clockwise, anti-clockwise different. If it does not give the different look, it will be called as the clockwise, anti-clockwise same. So that will be half. For example, garland. If you take a garland, all of you know, the flowers are there. Different color flower. If you look from this side or you look from this side, both will give you same flower, same picture. It will not give you different arrangement. There we say that the clockwise, anti-clockwise are same. But if it's ABC is written, so from one side you will read ABC, but from other side you will read ACB. So it will be clockwise, anti-clockwise will be different. I hope it makes sense to all of you, right? So if clockwise, anti-clockwise are same and anti-clockwise are same. And another condition is that one. If n object, if r objects from n different objects has to arrange on circle, circle means circular loop or a closed loop, then number of arrangement will be what? NPR by R. If clockwise, anti-clockwise different. Anti-clockwise different. And otherwise NPR by 2R. If clockwise, anti-clockwise are same. So this is the basic structure for the closed loop arrangement. Whenever objects are going to be arranged on a closed loop. Does this make sense to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I joined it. So I joined a little late. Can you go through the beginning again?
We are talking about the circular permutation.
Oh.
So the circular permutation, these points I told, you can take a screenshot. Do anyone have to ask anything?
I have a question.
Yeah,
Why are we writing n minus 1 factorial?
I didn't get you. Can you speak loudly?
Sir, I didn't understand why we are writing n minus 1 factorial.
See, when you are arranging in a row, so that will be n factorial. If you are arranging on a circular, there will be n minus 1 factorial because order arrangement will be missing. See, everything's teaching I cannot do here because that much time is not there. There is, in every arrangement, there is the order arrangement. For example, if I say to you, look everybody, how that formula is coming up. A, B, C, D, this is there. Now this is the one arrangement. Other arrangement, in order, let's move it. Other arrangement can be B, C, or let's take only three. Otherwise, explaining will be take time. If I say A, B, C, arrange them in an order. So what do you say? B, C, A next. Next, C, A, B. This is called the order arrangement. In an order moving, for example, if there are the three kids are sitting whose name is ABC, whose name is ABC. So suppose C gone here, so who will come here? C gone here and came back to here. So your new arrangement will be CAB. Then B gone here, the new arrangement will be ABC, like that. But if these things are in a circle, there is no such type of arrangement. Now, if A move and gone here, it will be remain same only A, B, C, C.
Yes.
Understand my point? So this order arrangement will be missing. How many order arrangement will be there? Whatever number of objects are doing arrangement. So n factorial is the total row arrangement. In that, n number of order arrangement is there, so divided by n. So that will come n minus 1 factorial.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Similar here also did. I hope it makes sense to everyone. See, we have to, this is the problem solving session, so that's why I cannot go in the deeper. Otherwise, it can be understand very clearly. It's a very simple things. So let's start solving the problem. We'll do objective question so that it's easy to check your answer. Yes, let's start. First question answer, everybody. You can answer in chat box.
So alternately means like how many ways are for the seating arrangement? In a line, that
Six
means
boys and six girls sit along a line alternately. Alternately means what? One boy, one girl, like that. X ways, and along a circle again alternately in Y ways. So you have to tell what is the relation between X and Y. Is this clear?
Sir, is this of AMC 8?
It's a combined AMC 8 and AMC 10 also can be able. You are preparing for what? AMC 8 or 10?
8.
You can. This is simple. We are not going to learn anything hi-fi things. This is a simple counting. Yes, Rayang, correct. Kunal, correct. Jayat, correct. No, Arudra, done wrong. Those who got the first question, they may go ahead with the second question without wasting time. Yeah, MC 10 and 12 also can be. It's a combinatrix is there everywhere till 12. First question answer is the D. Let's do this one. 6 boys and 6 girls sit along a line alternately. Means if in a line they are sitting, so 6 boys can be arranged in the 6 factorial way. And once you arrange the 6 boys, there are the 7 places. In that 7 places, we have to fill the 6 girls because alternately they are going to sing. Can you understand? If B1, B2, B3, last class we discussed these things, B4, B5, B6. So these are the places. The total 7 places. So 7 P6 will be there. That will become 6 factorial into 7 factorial. And this is the value of the X. Now, along circular, if you are going to do, watch it. If B1 I arrange here, B2 I arrange here, B3 I arrange here, B4, B5, B6. So this can be done by 6 minus 1 factorial. Boys can be arranged. Now for the girls, where is the place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And keep in mind, these 6 are not circular. It's a row only. Why so? Because there is a numbering. This is the between B1 and B2. This is the B2 and B2. So 6, that will become into 6 factorial. 6 object, 6 girls are there and 6 places are there. So Y value will be equal to what? Your 5 factorial into 6 factorial. I hope I did everything correct.
So I didn't understand the 6 minus 1 factorial.
Oh. Because boys are going to be arranged on a circle. So in how many ways you can arrange on the circle? 6 boys are there. So 6 boys on a circle, how will you arrange? If n object we have to arrange on the circle, so how will you arrange that?
N minus 1 factor. Oh.
So n object was there and we have to arrange that. Is this make sense?
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain that again?
Wait, I'll do. Uh, 6 boys, 1 minute. Let me see. I think something I miss out. 6 boys and 6 girls sit along a line separate alternately in X ways. There is a small issue is there. What issue? They are not saying which has to be start. Maybe I did by the boys, but it may be with the girl also can be start. One by one has to be sit down. So B1, then G1, then B2, then G2, then B3, then G3. Like that, it has to be seated in the line. So I think this answer will not be something extra we have to multiply. So let's fill it again. There is the some issues there. Total 12 paces we have to draw. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first, out of this 6 places we have to alternately we have to do. And on these places, only boys will come. Only boys will come. The boys can be arranged by the 6 factorial. And balance 6 places, girls has to come. So girls can be arranged again 6 factorial. I taken in the wrong way. I taken that key, 2 girls should not be together. So this 6 factorial. But this can be reverse way. It can be done 2 way into 2. Why so? Because I started with the girls, maybe start with the boys. So this is the X value. Is everyone understand? For example, let's take 2 letters A and B. A, B, C. If I say they have to, A, B, C should come alternately, means not this way. A, B, 1, 2. Letter and digit should come alternately. So what you will say? A, 1, B, 2. Or you can say 1, A, 2, B. Means it may start with the letter or it may start with the digit. Same way, it may start with the boy. If it start with the boy can be placed by the 6 factorial. Girls also can be placed by 6 factorial. And it may start with the girl also. That's why into 2 I did. Now, Y value will be what? Y value will be remain same, no change. Boy can be arranged by the 6 factorial, 6 minus 1 factorial. But girl can be arranged 6 factorial because they're the numbering. So these are not circular arrangement. These are row arrangement. To 6 factorial. This is the Y value. The Y value will be 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So from here, you can see very clearly X value, we can write it as 6 into 5 factorial into 6 factorial into 2. And this is nothing but Y. So X equal to 12Y. So D option. Yes, Farjin, you are raising hand. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did not understand why you wrote 6 minus 1 factorial.
Whenever an object has to be arranged in a circle, whose numbering is not there. So number of arrangement will be n minus 1 factorial.
Okay.
So 6 boys I have to arrange in a circle. There is no numbering. So we'll say 6 minus 1 factorial. But when we are arranging the girls, there is a numbering. So that can be arranged in the totally 6 factorial. 6 places are there. Alternate they have to come. No? So these are the places which so that they will come alternate. So that will be 6 factorial. Is
And
it
sir,
okay?
how did you get x equals 6 into 5 factorial into 6 factorial into 2?
This you understood?
Yes.
This is?
Yes.
Do you know 6 factorial? We can write 6 into 5 factorial.
Yes.
That's what I did. Here, this 6 factorial, I wrote 6 into 5 factorial. And into 6 factorial already there. Into 2. Because I want a relation between x and y. Na? Or if you don't want to do, divide it. X by y. Forget about this part. Do it here. X by y, what will come? 6 factorial into 6 factorial into 2 divided by 5 factorial into 6 factorial. This will get cancelled. And this 6 factorial, 6 into 5 factorial. So 1 5 factorial will get cancelled. So you get 12 by 1. So from here, x equal to 12y.
Okay, sir.
Now, question number second, please. Question number second. No, Shreyank.
Sir, mine.
Wait a minute. Answer, yes, Sakib is correct.
Sir,
Answer is C. I'm not able to see everybody answer. Answer
can
is,
you explain the circle arrangement again?
pardon?
Can you explain the circle arrangement again?
See, the problem is that one, this is the problem solving session. We cannot go on theory. Circular arrangement is very simple. Do you know row arrangement?
Yes, sir, I got the role.
Yeah, row arrangement divided by number of objects playing the role in the arrangement. That's all. This is, you can take a screenshot. Let's come to this. A round table conference is to be held between 20 delegates after 20 countries. The number of ways they can be seated if two particular delegates sit together. Okay. 20 objects are there. Two particular objects sit together. So that two objects, take it out. Let's say that delegate name I'm giving, whatever name, to D1, D2, so on, D20. Suppose D1, D2 always we sit together. So D1, D2, make it single object. Make it single object. Just a minute, 1 minute, give me that. Yes, I'm sorry, just a minute. Yes. So these are the 20 delegates are there. Suppose D1, D2 want to come together, to keep them together, one object. Assume them as a one object. If you assume them as a one object, the total how many objects become 19? 18 other object and plus 1, 19 object. This 19 object has to go in circular. So how many way we can do? 19 minus 1 factorial. Whenever circular arrangement is taking place, that way. 91 means 18 factorial. But this D1, D2 can interchange themselves by 2 factorial way. So into 2 factorial. That means 2 into 18 factorial. That will be your answer. 2 into 18 factorial. Is that clear? Question number third, answer please quickly, everybody. Yes, Kashvi Sinha is correct. Perzin is also correct. Sma. Saksam, no, I don't think so. Okay, let's go ahead and without wasting time. In the above column, number of way can be delegate be seated if two particular delegate never be seated together. By simple idea, total number of arrangement divided by minus this. The total arrangement, how many? If there is no condition, so that will be 20 minus 1 factorial minus this, minus 2 into 18 factorial. So which this is the 19 factorial minus 2 into 18 factorial. So 19 factorial, we can write 19 into 18 factorial. So 18 factorial, I can take common. Here 19 minus 2 will left. You can say that will be 17 into 18 factorial. So answer will be C. No, it's wrong. It's coming. A will be answer. What I mean, sir. Yeah, third.
It's 17 into 18 factorial.
Yeah, 17 into 18 factorial we are getting. C. A will be answer, not C. I think somebody has given wrong answer. Third one, A. A will be answer. Fourth one. Fourth, yes, Saket, correct. Seek. Let me solve it. Let me solve it. I don't know what the answer, but let me solve. Two colors can be set alternately on a necklace, then the being 10 color each color. Okay. 20 different pearls are there. Two colors are to be set. Different pearls, be clear. They are the different. But colors are the two colors only is there. So first thing, let's say that red and blue. Just assume red and blue. So red also having different only. R1, R2, R3 and so on, R10. Like the first question which we discussed. So this can be done in how many ways? That will be 10 minus 1 factorial into now blue. I'm going to put it. Blue what will happen? That will be the for the red I put the 10 minus 1 factorial. For the blue, there is no kind of what you can say circular, because if you put R1 here, R2 here, R3 here, R4 here, listen carefully everybody, R5 here, so blue will come here, here, here. So blue numbering is there. This is the first number which you got between R1 and R2. The marking is, whenever there is marking, place can be located. So that will become row arrangement. So there are the 10 places for the blue. So that will be 10 factorial. But here anti-clockwise and clockwise are not different, because pearl is there, garnet going to be formed. So by 2 we have to do. So answer will be your 9 factorial into 10 factorial divided by 2. So what will be the answer we should say? We have.
So that will be 9 factorial into 9 factorial into 9 factorial.
10 factorial, I can write it as the 10 into 9 factorial. So 9 factorial into 9 factorial is square by 2. So that will become 5 into 9 factorial is square. That is the answer. So that will be fourth B answer. Circular permutation is important. Questions comes in that. Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, why did you divide it by 12? That 9 factorial into 10?
Because there is the anti-clockwise and clockwise does not make any difference. Whenever in circular permutation, if there is the clockwise, anti-clockwise does not make any difference. Clockwise, anti-clockwise means if you look from front or you look from back side. See, if you go on jewelry shop, if you see like this, the necklace, and if you turn it, it won't give any difference. Yes or no? So clockwise, anti-clockwise are not different. So it's a total counting by 2 will be there.
Okay.
Okay. That's what I mentioned in theory also. If clockwise, anti-clockwise are different, then only n minus 1 factorial. If it's not different, then n minus 1 factorial by 2. Next set of question. Same circular permutation. Just let me make it small. Question number 5. This is slightly different. It's not circular permutation. It's something different way. Question number 5, everybody, please. I don't know answer of the 5 question. So I may need to solve. Please type your answer, then we'll see that who given the correct answer.
Sir, what does
Yes.
it mean arranged as in dictionary?
Dictionary means if you arrange in an alphabetic order, at which number again will come. For example, if you A, B, C, if I cab is there. If A, B, C, I will arrange where cab will come. So A, B, C first, then A, C, B, then B, A, C, then B, C, A, then C, A, B. So cab will come at the 4th number if you arrange in alphabetic order. There are if you arrange the letters of this, it's not asking again, it's asking then 50th word is what? 50th word is what they're asking. So I guess Siddharth given the answer correctly. So as probability given. No circuit. Let's see, let me solve it. First thing, how many word will be there starting with the A? This is, if you arrange it, it will be what? A, A, G, I, N. These are the letters. If I start with the A, how many words are possible? Meaning, with meaning or without meaning? 4 factorial word is possible. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it means after that only our word will come. After then G, starting with the G, how many word will come? 4 factorial by 2. Why so? Because A will be 2 times. So that will be 24. This will be 4. 12. starting with the I, again 12. So we are reaching 50th, no? So we reach 48, we reach. 48, we reach. Now, starting with the N, so many words. Means again 12 will be there. So everything I will not take. So what I will do, after N, what the letter will come? A will come.
A, then A, then
NA, starting with the NA, how many words will be there? Think carefully. 6. Right? Starting with the NA, there are the 3 more letters required. These 3 places can be filled by 3 factorial. So 6, what I don't want. So starting with the NA, N double A, how many words will be there? 2 words, 2 places, 2 ways there to fill it. Yes or no? What are these words possible? Alphabetic order. G and N. This is your 49th word. And N, A, I'm sorry, G. This is your 50th word.
Sir, how are you using N again?
Pardon?
Sir, how are you using N again?
Okay, and oh, sorry, mistake I did. I will come. Wait a minute. I just taken twice. N double A. So what is left? Double A gone, N gone. G and I. So first G will come and then I will come. That is the 49th. 50th word will be on I and G. I hope I did correct.
Sir, I got the same.
Pardon? Correct?
The same answer.
C answer will be there. Next, question number 6.
Yeah.
Question number 6, everybody. You have to just write in alphabetic order and then you have to check that key. What will be at which position that word will come, D-big. 6. Yes, Vanisha, correct. Oh, virgin mistake. Check your answer carefully. No, Saket, there is a mistake. Let me do. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. I will be start arranging till the time I'm not going to get D big. So first, with the A, how many word possible which start with the A, 4 factorial, 24. Because A, if you fix it, this can be arranged by the 4 factorial, 24. If you be, I miss, that is, our word will not come. Yes, I'm correct. Start with the B, again 24, but I no, Kashvi, that is wrong. Start with the B, 24. Start with the C, 24. Start with the D, 24 will be there, but I will not calculate because that is a part of my letter. After D, what will come? After D, A will come. That is not part of my letter, so I will count it. Whenever part of word is not there, you count. If part of your word is coming, then don't count. You keep on moving. So DA, start with the DA. If you fix D 2 letters, the balance 3 can be done by the 6-way, 3 factorial. That is not part of it.
E and then C6.
Pardon?
Nothing.
E. B, not my word, 6-way. D, E, part of my word, I will not count. I will just move further. After D, E, A will come, which is not part of my word. I will count it. That's the 2. And D, E, after that, what will come? B, that is a part of a word. I will not count. And then after B, what will come? A will come. That is a part of my word. I will not count. After that, C only left. Means we got the word. Means our word is here. Before that, how many numbers are there? This many numbers are there. So 24 D, C. Did I skip something?
Yes, sir. D and C.
Yeah, sorry. I skip out. I'm sorry. So DC. That is not part of our word. That will be again 6. After that, everything okay. So this is 20. This is the 20, 72, and this is the 18. So 80 and 90. So the 92, and this is the 93rd word. And that is nothing but called the rank. So D will be the answer. Is this clear to everyone? Myra, have you given correct answer?
Yeah, sir, I got it by 1 off. Sir, aren't we supposed to sum up 24, 24, 24, 6, 6, 6, and 2? Sir, won't 24 plus 24 plus 24 be 72? And then 6 plus 6 plus 6 be 18 plus 2, which is 20. So 20 plus 72 is 92.
Yes. Means 92 words are there before debate.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay,
so debate will come on 93rd position. So they are asking rank. Rank means what is the position?
okay, sir. Got
93rd rank is there.
it. Yes, sir.
Good. Next question, this one, 7th one answer. Please tell those who got it. Yes, one is correct. Was incorrect. Same logic you have to apply, nothing great. Saket, correct. Let's do it. Tackle. So alphabetic order, first write it. A, C, E, and K, L, T. How many? 3, 3, 6, 3. L, 120. Yes. Something wrong I'm doing. No option is going to work. Is there anything repeated? Is there? No. Okay.
The T.
Correct. Okay. Starting with the T, of course, that is the part of a word, will not count it. After T, what will come? A will come, that is the part of a word, will not count it. After A, what will come? C will come, that is the part of word, will not count it. A, C, gone, T gone. Now, E, K, L. E will come, which is not part of word, we'll count it. That is a two-way. And then T, A, C, after E, what will come? K. Then the part of our word will not count it. The next E will come, L will be there, that is the one word, and then next will be our word. E. This is our word. So before that, whatever came, that is the will be there. So this will be 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500, 600, 603, and this is the 604. Fourth word. That means rank will be 604.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that clear?
Got it.
Eighth question, I think very simple. Only 4 letters are there. Can you give me quickly answer? Everybody. Eighth question answer. Eighth question should be very quick. No shake, some mistake is there. Once Nonisha correct, Prisha correct, say Saket correct. It's very fast. You can do in seconds. Yes, Sreyan correct. Chirag, no. Myra correct. So late. First, let's write all the alphabetic order. A, then E, then L, then T. Starting with the A, 6 letters, 6 word. Starting with the E, 6 word. Starting with the L, I will not count. After L, A will come. I will not count. After L and A, E will come. So that is not there. After ET, that is not there. One word. Then L, A, T, E. That is my word. So before that, how many is there? 13 words are there. So this is a 14th word. That means rank will be 14th. Does that make sense? Now let's go ahead with doing the question based on the selection. Always remember, selecting R objects from n different object will be NCR, which sometimes some books write this way also, this symbol. And this value used to be what? N factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. But be clear, valid only for different objects. So very quickly, 15th number.
Wait, sir, can you repeat this again, what you just said in the formula?
Suppose if you have to, there are 10 boys. I want to select 4 boys, right? So we'll say that number of way to select will be 10C4. That means 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Selection. If you have to select R objects.
Sir, can you explain it again?
Selection, do you know how to do selection?
No, sir.
Okay, it's very simple. If I see that key, there are A, B, C, D, E, F. If I ask you how many way you can select one letter, no need of knowing anything. Simply counting method, you can tell me. How many different way you can select one letter?
5 factorial.
No, forget about factorial.
So 61. So 61.
Forget NCR and all. Simple, normal.
So what are you asking?
One letter we
25.
have to select.
There's 6. There are 6 ways.
Either A will come, or B will come, or C will come, or D will come, or E will come, or F will come. If I say select two letter, then manual calculation will be difficult. You'll say AB, then you will say AC, then you will say AD, then you will say AE. This calculation will take time. So for that, we can do this way also. Total 6 objects are there. I want to select 2 objects. So that will be 6C2. So 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial. You can use this formula, this formula, into 2 factorial. So that will be 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So that will become 6 into 5 by 2. That means 50. If you calculate manually, then also 15 will come. Am I clear?
Yes.
See, all of you people have to refer some books, some point, some notes, because in this class, I can just give you the point. I cannot teach because that much time is not there.
Sir, what is the difference between NPR and NCR?
Pardon? Difference between?
Sir, difference between NPR and NCR.
NPR means if you have to select R book, R objects from a different arrange. If you have to do arrangement, NPR. P means permutation. C means combination.
Thank you, sir.
See, basic book you can take up. If you are asking book, to basic book is more than enough. Means you can college mathematics kind of thing. It depends on which class you are. If you are in the 7th, 8th class, Hall and Night will be best book to make your fundamental.
Sir, which book?
Hall and Night.
So what about 5th grade?
It can be no problem. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, people can do it. But if you are in the 10th class, 11th class, then I will say pre-college mathematics. Pre-college mathematics. That is for the higher classes. Means those students who are trying for AMC 12 or AME. For them,
So for ninth? Ninth?
Ninth will be better, this Hall and Night.
Okay, sir.
Yes, question number 15th. Anybody got it?
NC3.
Manisha, you can access recording from this office, Tulip office, you can call up and get the recording. Or you may share your number in the chat box with the office people. They will call you and help you.
So can we start?
Yeah, do it.
Yes, so can we start? doing the question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Like, could you start explaining it?
Okay. Have you got the answer? Any answer?
Yes, sir, I think it's close, but I'm not sure. I think it's B.
Answer will be B, Bombay.
Sir.
Let me solve it.
Sir, okay.
Yeah. Check it. Given n is odd, means odd integers are there. The number of ways in which three number in AP can be selected from these 1, 2, 3. First things, AP is what? Whenever numbers are in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D. These three numbers will be called as an AP. For example, 2, 5, 8. Because the difference is coming 3, 3. Difference should be same. That is what is called as the AP. Now I have to select three number. Think very carefully. If you select any two number randomly, just take an example. If I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number. Don't select, select any two number. Any two number you select. Any two number you select. Except 9, 10. If I select 1, 2. So can we, what other number I should take so that it should become AP?
So 3.
3. If you selected 1 and 4.
7.
1 and 4, then 7 will come. So you have to select in such a way so that the three number, that's three number should become AP. So first select two number. That two number, how many way I can select two number, and then third number you have to take cases. So I can take the possibilities. Let me take out this question and show you slightly. AMC 10 level a kind of the question. N I am taking, let's say, let n equal to 2m plus 1. Because they are saying n is odd. So your number is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, till 2m plus 1. This is our numbers. Now the first situation is what? Maybe common difference is 1. Common difference is 1. So if common difference is 1, what will be your possibilities can be happen if common difference is 1? So 1, 2, 3, one number, 2, 3, 4, another pair, 3, 4, 5, another pair, and so on. 2m minus 1, 2m plus 1. See, what is the possibility? 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, or so on. 2m minus 1, 2m plus 1. See, in everywhere, D means common difference, the addition, difference between them 1. So how many such kind of the numbers can be happen? These are how many pairs? How many groups are there? 2m minus
So
1.
2m.
2m minus 1. See, 1, 2, till 2m minus 1.
Yes, sir. 2m minus 1.
Other what can happen? Other possibility. We can take D. If D equal to 2, I am taking, what will happen? Think carefully, everybody. D equal to 2. D equal to 2. So first 1, 3, 5. Next 2, 4, 6. So on. Here what will happen? Tell me. D should be 2. D should be 2. And last term is the 2m plus 1. So before that, what will be there? 2m minus 1. And then 2m minus 3. So how many groups are there? 2m minus 3 groups are there.
But sir, how do we know that the last set is of odd numbers and not even?
It's already given, no? N is odd.
Oh, okay, sir.
That's why n equal to 2m plus 1 I taken.
But
Similarly,
sir, why does like 2m minus 2 and 2m minus 4 last set?
I didn't get you. 2m?
Sir, 2m,
Hmm?
2m minus 2 and 2m minus 4.
So it means 2m plus 1 you're leaving.
Yes, sir.
But that will be the contradiction. No? You're leaving one of the possibility.
Oh,
I'm
okay, sir.
counting all the possibility. So
Okay,
2m
sir.
plus 1 I will always include.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, d equal to 3, you can take it. What will happen? After 1, 2, 3, you'll get pattern. 1, 4, 7. And here what will happen? See, d equal to 1 to 2m minus 1. D equal to 2, 2m minus 3. Now, if 3 is there, what will happen? Last term is the 2m plus 1. Then before that, what will be there? 2m minus 2. Wait, 3 is there, no? And then 2m minus 5. So here number of terms will be what? 2m minus 5. Is this making sense? Like that, you have to count it and we'll go up to d equal to m. If you'll take d equal to m, d equal to m, in that kind of situation, what will happen? If d equal to m you're taking, the last is your 2m plus 1. Before that, what will come? M will subtract m plus 1. And before this, what will come? 1 will come. So only 1 is there. So you can understand the number of will be 1 plus 3 plus so on till 2m minus 1. And this is the sum of 2m minus 1 odd integers. So there is square. This is the equal to 2m minus 1 whole square. Put back m value. 2m value we can write as n minus 1. So that will become n minus 1, the whole n square by 2 will come. I think so. Sum of, yeah, by, no, not by 2. It's correct. So, wait a minute. All of you know this no, formula. If you will add all the odd integer up to n, what is the summation? N square. If you're not knowing, please keep in mind. We are adding up to 2m minus 1. So what will be summation? 2m minus 1, the whole square. And m, 2m value, what we can write? N minus 1. So 2m minus 1. So that
So n minus 2.
It will be
N minus 2 whole square.
I did a mistake. This is the 2n minus 1. So up to 2n minus 1, that will be n square. So that will mean it will be m square. And m square value will be what? N minus 1 by 2 whole square. So that will be your n minus 1 by 2 whole square. Any option? Yeah, D. D will be the answer. You can add by using AP formula also.
Sir, option B, right? N minus 1 square by 4.
By
4, so because we are doing whole square, n minus 1 by 2 whole square.
yeah, yes. I put it by 4. So n minus 1 whole square by 4. Oh, I'm sorry. Option
So B.
So,
yeah.
so why are we adding 1, 3, 5, 7 up till 2n minus 1?
Because here there is the 2m minus 1 selection, here 2m minus 3 selection, here 2m minus 5 selection, till all odd integers. Can you understand the pattern? 2m minus 1, 2m minus 3, 2m minus 5, and till 1. So it means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus till 2m minus 1. That many
Okay,
numbers
sir.
to count summation. No? Right,
Okay.
balance question, all of you can try because now time is not permitting. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.